Hey guys and gals, it's Dr. Marcy with a little conversation about genetics and why it's important to know what your genetics say. There is a gene called the COMT gene, C-O-M-T. It's responsible for inflammation response, hormone synthesis, neurotransmitter synthesis, degradation of chemicals, help with detoxification, and also the expression of certain DNA, and also your immune system and how it functions. So different mutations in this gene can mean different things. And so when you're looking at somebody who's making a nutrition plan for you, if they're making a long-term strategy for you, they really need to take your genetics into play, because whether or not you can tolerate caffeine is based on this genetics. Whether or not you can sleep, based on those genetics. Whether or not your liver actually functions properly, based on those genetics. So when we talk about detoxification and the body being able to detoxify and why that's important, one of the reasons it's important is if you don't detoxify properly in the liver because this gene has a breakdown somewhere in it, you can actually store more body fat. You store more body fat because the easiest solution to pollution is dilution. The easiest place to dilute a toxin is to put it in fat cells, because your fat cells grow and shrink, but your liver helps control that. Your liver controls that because it says, when it's reached its point of overwhelm, I can no longer handle what you're giving me. And so if you lose weight, we die. Let's not die, let's survive. But we're gonna stay fat in order to do it. If you're interested in learning how your genetics play a role in your current health, and the environment that you're putting in, including nutrition, because believe it or not, that is a huge part of your environment, let's have a conversation. There's a link in my profile to book a call, and we can talk about how we can get you genetic testing done at home that tells you exactly how you should be eating, how much exercise you need, and whether or not your pathways for caffeine, chocolate, and alcohol work. Again, link in the profile. I'll chat to you guys soon.